Infectious diseases. Here we can look for the infectious diseases and the common infectious diseases, list of infectious diseases, types, causes, symptoms, and the transmission and the prevention. Diseases are the disorder that affect either a part of the entire body by impeding the bodily function. Diseases can be caused due to the infectious or the non-infectious causes. Non-infectious causes are generally due to internal factors, genetic irregularities, while the infectious diseases are caused by microorganisms, which are the infection-causing agents. What are infectious diseases? These are the diseases caused by the various pathogenic microorganisms such as virus, bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and other parasites. These infectious diseases can be transmitted by animals, humans, insects, or other agents. The infectious agents are present all around us and they come in different shapes and sizes. They can be categorized based on some common characteristics. Some are single cell animals such as fungi, bacteria, and virus. Other multicellular organisms such as worms, they are known to cause diseases too. There are a list of some common infectious diseases. Common cold, influenza, AIDS, dengue fever, these are all caused by viruses. While typhoid, cholera, they are caused by bacteria. Kala Azar, they are the protozoan leishmaniasis. And Aiken, they are staphylococci bacteria. Sleeping sickness, they are caused by trypanosoma protozoa. And the elephantiasis, they are caused by worms. Here, some of the list of infectious diseases: polio, rabies, mumps, dengue, plague, malaria, anthrax, cholera, measles, HIV, and AIDS. Here we can look for type of infectious diseases. There are various types of infectious diseases caused by different pathogens. These diseases are mentioned below. The virus infection, these are the millions of viruses existing in the world. They are the main cause of the viral infection such as common cold, influenza, etc. The virus invades the body of a host and attaches itself to the cell where it releases its genetic material. The cell replicates and the virus multiplies. The cell lyses and releases more viruses that infect the new cell. Few viruses change the function of a cell instead of killing the cell. For example, human papilloma virus, Epstein-Barr virus, they causes the uncontrolled replication of cells that leads to the cancer. Bacterial infections. Bacteria can survive in any environment from extreme heat to extreme cold and even the radioactive waste. There are numerous bacterial strains, some of which causes diseases. The bad bacteria cause the disease, while the good bacteria destroys the bad bacteria and prevent the disease. Cholera, tuberculosis, diphtheria, typhoid are some of the infectious diseases caused by the bacteria. They can be treated by antibiotic, but some bacteria become antibiotic resistant and cannot be treated. Fungal infection. A fungus decomposes and absorbs the organic material with the help of an enzyme. Many fungal infections appear in the upper layer of the skin, while some penetrate to the deeper layer. The fungal spores, where inhaled, can lead to the fungal infection that affect the whole body. Prion diseases. Prion is a protein without the genetic material. If the prion is folded abnormally, it affects the structure of the normal protein that causes the deadly disease, such as Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Such diseases spread rapidly and are usually fatal. They do not replicate in the host, that stimulates the abnormal behavior in the body. Other infections like protozoa helminthiasis and the ectoparasite. They are also responsible for causing the infectious diseases. Protozoa are transferred by contact with feces. Amoebic dysentery is caused by protozoa. Helminthes, this include the flatworm and roundworm that causes the infection in the human. Ectoparasite such as mite, lice, tick, they attach to skin and cause the infection. Symptoms of the infectious diseases. They depend upon the site and the type of pathogen affecting the body. Virus targets specific cells. Example, the rabies virus affects the nervous system. Some viruses cause the warts, runny nose, much muscle ache, etc. A person affected by the bacterial infection will experience the symptoms such as fever, swelling, heat, pain, swelling in the lymph glands, etc. Rashes on the skin are an the indication of the fungal infection. Prion diseases that damage the brain, memory loss, and the cognitive difficulties. How are infectious diseases are transmitted? The infectious diseases are spread in the following ways. When an infected person sneezes or coughs, the droplets containing the pathogen of diseases such as influenza, common cold, etc. might spread in the air and infect the others in the vicinity. Touching an infected person or their body fluids such as saliva, blood, sweat, urine, etc. transfer the infection to the healthy person. Example, chickenpox, measles, etc. Touching the object or the areas touched by the infected person can transfer the infection to the non-infected person and cause diseases. Here we can look for the preventing of the infectious diseases. Here, there are some of the practical ways which can be practiced for preventing the infection. The first one main thing to do here is vaccination. Next one, we can go for the use of antibiotics and maintain the proper hygiene. Avoid traveling or going to work when you fall ill, and avoid sharing the used personal belongings such as razor, glaze, toothbrush, comb, etc. Keep your kitchen clean by washing all the used utensils, cooking area before and after preparing each food. Extra care needs to be taken while going to hospitals such as wearing a mask and using the sanitizer, etc. Thank you.